Hello guys, I know it's been a while I've done intro with my full face bit. I just wanted to come on here to tell you nothing. I don't have anything. If you want to see how I beat my face today using old and new products, stay tuned for this video. Don't have anything else to say. I've run out of words. I don't know what I'm going to do today, but I'm just going to do whatever I want. Like, I don't know what makeup tutorial I'm going for today, but I will sure come up with something. Yeah, I'll be trying out a new eyeshadow palette today. I'll be using the Opv eyeshadow palette, this one right here. So let's get into this video. First of all, I've already moisturized my skin. For primer, I'm going to use this primer by Rimmel London, the Rimmel London Fix and Perfect primer. So I'm going to use the Opv illuminator. This is the shade Starlight. I use this to just quickly blend that because it dries really fast. You can see the glow already. Can you see that glow? But if you have a dry skin, I'll tell you to stay away. Stay away from illuminator. It will make you dry. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fits Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Teary 56. Then I will contour with the shade Teary 65, the darker shade to contour, then the shade for foundation. And this brush I'm using is by the F powder brush. Just use that to press that into the skin. So I'm going to use the Collection Concealer in the shade 5 to highlight my face. This shade right here, so I'm going to use this to contour quickly. Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Kunafa. I'll dust off the center of the face, then leave the under eyes. I'll do my brows using Benefit brow pencil. So I'm going to prime my lid now. I need to be quick with this makeup. I'm going to use the Perinail eyeshadow base. Opv eyeshadow. I'm going to go with the shade. That eyeshadow prime base I just used have a little bit like half shimmer on it. So yeah, the shimmer all over my lid right now. So I'll take the shade. The hash line at the top. I'm not doing anything crazy today. It's just something simple. I need to be done with this makeup like yesterday. Let me try this shade right here. Oh wow. Wow. To be frank and sincere with you guys, these days the eyeshadow palette, like most of all these brands are coming with, just the shade just look the same. Like there's nothing new that they want to come out with. Like a black liner underneath my eyes, and this one is by LA Girl. So I'm just going to take a smaller brush and blend the transition color underneath my eyes. Any other shade if you want, but I just like using my transition shade so that I can like am I going to put like join the look together, mostly when I use the transition shade to blend. For black eyeliner, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty eyeliner because that's what I have right here. I'm going to take the liquid glitter by OPV, this shade right here. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline. So to bronze my face, I'm going to use CoverGirl Quiz Collection Ebony Bronzer because this is my fave. Use that to blend the nose. Now for my face powder, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fits Me Matte and Poreless powder in the shade 350. Look at that on the brush. It's orange. Orange blush look beautiful on dark skin. So don't be scared, guys. Then take the powder brush. When you apply excess blush, just take the powder brush and just remove the excess. I like that when I can smile, the blush is there, but I don't like when I can see it that much. I'll use the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray to spray my face. For lipstick, I'm going to use MAC Chestnut. Yeah. Take the Grelon lipstick. Like, it comes in this beautiful package. Like, look at that packaging. Like, too much money packaging. Look at that. You take the lipstick out and it comes in a, like, with a cute mirror right here. This thing is not cheap. Only just the package alone is money. You buy them separately. I don't know why they can't just buy them together. It's separate packaging. So yeah, and I'm using the shade number 3. The next thing I'm going to do is to glow. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the ColourPop S or Sheila S ColourPop highlighter in the shade Booming. Booming, 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 booming. I just take the blush brush and use this to blend any harsh line. For lashes, I'm going to use these lashes right here. Come in a set like this, beautiful. For mascara, I'm going to use the Thrive Cosmetic mascara. I really like this mascara. It makes my under eyes come to life. Like I can breathe. I can see my lashes. We are done. Lip gloss. For lip gloss, I'm going to use this lip gloss that is sumptuous, beautiful, lovely. And this one is by, this is expensive. Lip gloss. This one is by Charlotte. Is it Charlotte or Charlotte? Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know. Charlotte Tilbury. So this is her lip gloss. The shade is beautiful. Spray your face again, just one more time with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. The Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Hey guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Do give this video a thumbs up and tell me what you think about the product I used today. For the OPV eyeshadow palette, I really like it, and most of the things I used today are not new. They are pretty like old products I've used before. So if you have any more questions about the product, let me know in the comment section. Like I said, but what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys.